Hello, tea friends. Today I'm so excited because I got my very first VIP tea post, Bird and Blend Tea Club. So I'm going to open it. Very first time opening this. With Blue's Clues in the background. This is so exciting. This is my very first one, so I think they sent me a spoon. Tea Club, Merry Christmas. Happy November. This Christmas, we'd love to introduce you to the magical destination of Wondertown. A tea-filled place that holds all of the best bits of Christmas. From ice rinks to jolly snowmen down the road, it's a place where Christmas dreams come true. If this is your first box, welcome to the club. We've popped in a free spoon and tea sacks to start you on your way. So, I got salted caramel Labuchin. Oh my gosh. Sorry I can't pronounce anything. It's a German Christmas tradition, a bit like gingerbread but softer and often in the cutest of shapes. We've taken this favorite treat one taste level further, obviously, and blended it with notes of salted caramel, pure Christmas bliss. So it's in here somewhere. Yeah, they come in these little packs just like all of their samples do. Brew 4 minutes with or without milk. The next one is Mr. Frosty. This one is a white tea. So the other one was a black tea. This one's a white tea. So they sent me a black tea, a white tea, and a green tea. I wonder if that's going to be like how it comes from now on. If you get like that kind of thing. So Mr. Frosty. So this one they recommend no milk. Snow cones and ice slushies. Enjoy them in the snow or in front of the fire with our bright blue Ice Blast flavored white tea blend. No sugar in this version either. What a bonus. And then Pantone. So I heard this is a fruit cake in Brazil. So our first Christmas green tea blend really doesn't disappoint. The founder, Christy, said it is her new favorite of all time. Slightly sweet with subtle spice and fruit notes. So every month, this little, hang on, Mommy's talking. This little art card that you get that tells about your teas. Wait, Mommy's talking.
My 3 gummies.
Okay, wait till I'm done. It was an artist that submitted. So at the bottom, it tells about the artist that did this. So it says, Rosie is our in-house graphic designer based in Brighton. She sees inspiration in everyday life and in particular tea. She has a passion for character design, handmade crafts, painted products, and can't resist a tea-rific pun. To see regular updates of her personal work, follow her on Instagram and visit her website. And it lists those there. But aren't these just so cute? I'm going to keep these in my planner. And that way I can remember what I got. and what I tried. And I think it'll be fun to look back on and see. But it's just so festive and fun. And then they sent me this little VIP secret site membership. And then they sent me their version of the perfect teaspoon. So it kind of looks about the same as David's tea, but this is cute. And that is it. This is for November. So I wonder what December's will look like. They're already Merry Christmasing us. I don't know, we'll see. And then it comes with like a little invoice, right? And hi Rachel, enjoy your blends. So that is all for this November Bird and Blend Tea Club unboxing. And yeah, I can't wait to try these. I'm gonna go steep one up right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.